Hey everybody, Mr. Dolan here. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're being safe, staying well. I hope you're adjusting to this new normal that we have with the COVID-19 stuff. Kind of crazy. But there's some good that can come out of this. We can look back at this and say, hey, when hard things come along, we've gone through some hard things now too. And how do you adjust? How do you cope? These are all good things to be able to build off of and create some good life lessons and life skills for you that we don't teach you in school. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. I look forward to hopefully seeing you all again soon. Whatever soon might mean, we don't know yet, but I hope you're doing well. I see a lot of you are already on the assignment for today. That's awesome. But I'm also getting a few emails about, how do we find things, where are things located, how do I upload stuff, things like that. So what I'd like to do is show you kind of quickly in a video format here how life is going to look for us until we get back to school. And then making sure that if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me, things like that. So the key name of the day and the term of the day is going to be flexibility. I need you to be flexible. I need to be flexible myself, and we'll get through this. So first off, we're going to be living out of our calendar. So when you're in Google Classroom, going to the calendar, I would really recommend you go to the classwork tab. Okay. So when you're in Google Classroom, go to the classwork tab because I have this new topic called distance learning days. For us in chemistry, our calendar is at the bottom. If you don't already have a link, most of you do, but there's a link to that. And when you click on that, it will bring you to our calendar. And each day is going to have an assignment for you to be looking at. So for today, Monday, March 30th, click on the assignment. And it will basically just kind of tell you, hey, here's what I need you to get done. Sometimes you're going to be doing things on paper and uploading it to Google Classroom. Sometimes you're going to be doing things using GoFormative. So real quick, just to kind of show you where all that stuff is housed and located. So in Google Classroom, if there is something that you have to upload, I will always have them shown by the day. Okay, so today's assignment, Monday, March 30th, you click on that, and then it has actually a copy of the same slides from the calendar. And when you click on that, then you can have one of two options. If you're doing things on paper, take a picture with your phone or with your Chromebook. Make sure it's easy for me to see, clear enough for me to read, and then upload that picture to the assignment. Or if you're doing things like if you prefer to type things on like a Google Doc or something, just upload that file. Excuse me. And then just make sure it gets uploaded. Now notice there are due dates. Okay. So these due dates are going to be important for you. They have to be uploaded by that due date. And it tells me like when you have it uploaded. When you upload something, this is really important, please make sure you click the button that says submit. Okay, if you upload a file but then don't click the submit button, it won't submit your file and it won't show me on my end that you have turned in your assignment. Okay, there are a couple of assignments where when you go to the calendar, so I'm actually just going to go to one on Thursday, April 2nd of this week, the first time that you'll see this. When you go to those assignments, some of them will be using what we call GoFormative. Some of you have used this, some of you haven't. So I real quickly just wanted to show you what that looks like. There's always going to be a link to the GoFormative assignment. There'll be a little picture here that shows you what it looks like. And when you click on that link, if you haven't logged in ever before, it'll bring you to this page here. So what I need you to do is I need you to go to the login. Just click on login. And just like what we do with Moodle, I need you to log in using Google. Okay, so you'll log in with Google, you log in with your school account. Okay, I've already done this, so it automatically does it. And then this is going to look a little different for you, but you should have a list of assignments that are assigned to you. So I have some for physics, I have some for chemistry, and basically Each day, a new assignment will appear for you, and you'll click on it. So I'll just go to this class here. Oh, actually, I need to go to my formative, sorry. You'll have a list, and it'll be basically on the date that you need to do. And so, for example, on April 2nd, you'll have something that will appear that says 4-2. You'll click on it, and you will work through it. Sometimes it'll be a reading and there'll be questions associated. Sometimes it'll be a free response thing. And once you click on it and finish it, it will automatically submit that. It'll give me the time, and then that's your assignment for the day. Okay. I will be uploading these to Infinite Campus so I can send things out to parents so that they are also aware of, hey, where are you at? What have you done? Are you on task? Are you on time? Are you where you need to be? Okay. If you have questions, okay, this is where the flexibility thing is going to come in. As of right now, I think the easiest way for me is to actually have you email me questions. And then starting at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm going to start looking at all the questions that are emailed. And then I'm going to either create a short video or just kind of create a mass response to those questions. If you want your question answered, you need to have that emailed to me by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. And that way I'll have time to get those questions answered. And so you'll have time to finish whatever assignment you had the question on, because those are due by 8 o'clock in the morning the next day. Okay. So we have some time schedule issues that we're going to have to deal with. And I'll try to get those done as quickly as I can. But you also got to understand from my end, I have kids that are also in school. They have homework. They're grade school kids. So some of their assignments actually are requiring me to do things with them, and they also have deadlines that they have to have that turned in by. So again, flexibility, it's going to be the name of the game. I hope you're all doing well. I hope that gives you what you need. If you have any other questions, again, please email those to me, and I will get to those as quickly as I can. Enjoy.